The functions g and f are defined as g of x is equal to x minus 1 over 2 and f of x is equal to 3x minus 5. Grace and peace to you, and welcome to my second video on functions. This is Donald Siame, author of Hidden Mathematical Genius Within Revealed. So we have number 1, find g inverse of x. So g inverse of x is just the inverse of g of x. Okay, so according to the question, g of x is equal to x minus 1 over 2. So that is our g of x, and we want to find g inverse of x. So to get g inverse of x, first, where there is g of x, we put a y. So we have y is equal to x minus 1 over 2. Okay, then we need to make x the subject of the formula. So we can see that this side of the equation is a fraction. So even this one can be a fraction. So you say over 1. Then you cross multiply. So say 1 multiplied by x minus 1, you get x minus 1 equals y multiplied by 2, you get 2y. Okay, and we want to remain with just x from this side of the equation. So here we have minus 1. This minus 1, we need to take it this side of the equation. So here it is minus 1. This side it will be plus 1. Okay, so we have x is equal to 2y plus 1. So we have x as our subject formula. So now where there is x, we are going to put g inverse of x. So we have g inverse of x. So therefore, g inverse of x is equal to, then where there is y, you put x. So we have g inverse of x is equal to 2x plus 1. So that is the first one, the inverse of g of x. Then b, find the value of x if f of x is equal to g of x. So here we need to solve for the value of x if g of x is equal to f of x. Okay, if f of x is equal to g of x, so that's our b, f of x equal to g of x. So we know that f of x is 3x minus 5. So where there is f of x, we have 3x minus 5 equal to, then where there is g of x, we have x minus 1 over 2. Okay, so here we can see that here there is a fraction. So we say even this side, it can be a fraction. So we say over 1. This 3x minus 5 over 1. Then we can cross multiply. So we say 3x minus 5 multiplied by 2. So to show that we are multiplying, we can just put them in brackets. So we have 2, then in brackets 3x minus 5 is equal to 1 multiplied by x minus 1, you get x minus 1, because we know that 1 multiplied by number is just number. So we have x minus 1. Okay, so here it's just a matter of expanding. These 2 will multiply through 3x minus 5. So we say, what is 2 multiplied by 3x? 6x. And 2 multiplied by minus 5, you get minus 10, equal to x minus 1. Then at this stage, you can just correct like terms. You collect like terms. Okay, so 6 will go with this x here. Now this x is from the other side of the equation. When you bring it here, it will be a minus. Since here it is positive, this side it will be a minus. So we have 6x minus x equal to, here we have minus 1. Then here we have minus 10. Minus 10, this side it will be plus 10. So we have plus 10. Okay, so what is 6x minus x? Yes, we get 5x equals negative 1 plus 10. Yes, negative 10 plus 10. Negative 1 plus 10, you get 9. When you have different signs, you subtract and get a sign from a bigger number. So negative 10 plus 10, you get 9. Okay, now since we are solving for x, we need to remain with x this side. Okay, so to remain with x, you just divide by 5. So you say over 5, and this side over 5. So x is equal to, here we have 9 over 5. We don't leave answers as improper fractions. You either leave it as a decimal or mixed fraction. Okay, so let us leave it in a mixed fraction. So say, what is 5 in 9? 5 in 9 is 1. Then remainder is 4 and over 5. So x is equal to 1, 4 over 5. That is B, how to solve for x if f of x is equal to g of x. We go to C, the last one. G inverse of f of x. G inverse of f of x. So here to the front we have g inverse of x. So in g inverse of x, you put where there is x, you put f of x. So what is our g inverse of x? Okay, so this one we calculated on A. So g inverse of x, we got 2x plus 1. Okay, so we'll say our g inverse of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, now we want to find g inverse of f of x. Now this is our g inverse of x, that is 2x plus 1. Now g inverse of f of x, where there is x, we are going to put f of x, and f of x, we know that it is 3x minus 5. So where there is x, we'll put 3x minus 5. So say g inverse of f of x is equal to 2. Then where there is x, we have 3x minus 5, then plus 1. So g inverse of f of x is equal to, so here we multiply 2 through 3x minus 5. So say, what is 2 multiplied by 3x? Yes, we get 6x. 2 multiplied by minus 5, yes, we get minus 10, then plus 1. So we have g inverse of f of x is equal to 6x. Here we have minus 10 plus 1. Now what is minus 10 plus 1? Yes, minus 9. So since we have different signs, when you have different signs, you subtract and get the sign from a bigger number. And bigger number here is 10, and as a minus. Okay, so we have minus 9. So negative 10 plus 1, that is negative 9, minus 9. So g inverse of f of x is equal to 6x minus 9. Okay, so this is how you perform calculations with regards to functions. Thank you so much for your time.